Hi everyone. Today we're going to study join and meet of 0, 1 matrices. First, let us define 0, 1 matrix. A matrix with entries that either 0 or 1 is called a 0, 1 matrix. We have one example here, matrix A. Entries are 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Remember that a matrix is defined by m rows by n columns, or simply we write m by n matrix. In our example here, we observe that there are 2 rows. So this is the value for m. And then we have 3 columns. So we change the n into 3. So for our example here, we have 2 by 3 matrix. 0, 1 matrices are often used to represent discrete structure, and they are based on Boolean operations and the operation AND. Let us define now join and meet of 0, 1 matrices. Let capital A equals small a sub ij matrix and capital B equals small b sub ij matrix be m by n 0, 1 matrices. The join of A and B is the 0, 1 matrix with ijth entry A sub ij or B sub ij, and it is denoted by A or B. The meet of A and B is the 0, 1 matrix with ij entry A sub ij and B sub ij, and it is denoted by A and B. Let us see this example. Find the join and the meet of the 0, 1 matrices. Matrix A 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Matrix B 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. Take note that matrices A and B have the same size. Let's begin now with a join of A and B. This is denoted by the operation A or B. We're going to do OR operation to corresponding entries of the matrices. Remember that for OR operation, the value is always 1, except when both entries are 0. So we are going to write the join to be like this, A or B. For the first entry, this is 1 or 0, and this is equal to 1. Second, the 0 or 1 is 1. Third, 1 or 0 is 1. Next, 0 or 1 is 1. Then, 1 or 1 is 1. Next, 0 or 0 is 0. So the join of A and B is the matrix 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Next is the meet of A and B, and this is denoted by A and B. Remember that for the Boolean operation AND, the value is always 0, except when both of the values are 1. So we write it like this, the A and B. For the first entry, we have 1 and 0 is 0. 0 and 1 is 0. 1 and 0 is 0. 0 and 1 is 0. 1 and 1 is 1. 0 and 0 is 0. So the meet of A and B is the matrix 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. These are the final answers. I hope you learned something from this video. See you again next time.